Integrated Motor Assist IMA design. IMA is a parallel hybrid, meaning the gas engine and electric motor can both directly power the drive wheels. The Accord hybrid is a series hybrid under most conditions. The gas engine powers a generator, which in turn provides energy for the electric motor to drive the wheels. But the Accord hybrid can function as a parallel hybrid as well, under certain circumstances, for optimal performance. At its heart is a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine and a 2-motor hybrid system, much like the one introduced on the Accord plug-in. British inventor James Atkinson developed his design in the late 19th century to provide enhanced efficiency. As shown in this animation of an engine with the Atkinson design, a linkage between the piston and crankshaft allows the intake and compression strokes to be shorter than the power and exhaust strokes. This design lets the air-fuel mixture burn more completely during the power stroke, using more of the potential energy from a given amount of fuel. The trade-off is reduced peak power. Honda's modern version of this design uses the iVTEC system to simulate the Atkinson cycle. Rather than making the intake and compression strokes shorter, one of the iVTEC cams delays the closing of the intake valve until much later than usual on the compression stroke. The resulting smaller volume of the air-fuel mixture then burns more completely and efficiently during the power stroke. Thanks to the genius of the iVTEC system, though, the Accord Hybrid's engine can also produce excellent power. The other intake cam profile is tuned more like a conventional engine's for greater power output, so this power plant is like having two engines in one. Honda's iVTEC realizes this concept much more effectively than competitors' variable valve timing systems. Their simple camshaft phasing adjustments can't match iVTEC's ability to vary how long the valves are open or how far they open, to better match a wide variety of demands. The hybrid system consists of a powerful electric drive motor, as well as a high-output generator. This generator can also function as a motor when needed to start the engine. The big drive motor is designed to propel the car by itself without the engine running for short distances in city driving, with electricity supplied by the lithium-ion battery located behind the car's rear seat. The electric motor produces peak torque immediately as it starts turning, so it delivers a strong response that feels like a much larger engine is aboard. The Accord Hybrid can also attain freeway speeds in electric drive mode. The system recharges the battery in two ways. During deceleration, the drive motor becomes a generator and uses regenerative braking to capture the car's kinetic energy and convert it to electricity. And while the engine is operating, it spins the big generator to recharge the battery as well. The system moves continuously through three distinct drive methods during normal operation, all of which you can see in the MID's power flow display. In EV drive, the car is propelled solely by the electric motor and the lithium-ion battery. During hybrid drive, the engine powers the generator, which in turn supplies the motor with electricity. And finally, there's engine drive, wherein a clutch inside the transmission locks up to mechanically link the engine to the drive wheels for the greatest efficiency at highway speeds. This is where the Accord Hybrid functions like a parallel hybrid. While the Accord Hybrid's powertrain is a highly sophisticated system, it still provides that most basic Honda characteristic. It's fun to drive. Thanks to its torque-rich electric motor, the system creates plenty of power starting low in the RPM range for exceptional responsiveness off the line. Providing even more smiles is the Accord Hybrid's efficiency. Its EPA fuel economy ratings are excellent: 50 city, 45 highway, and 47 combined. That's the highest city rating of any four-door sedan. Your customers will enjoy this Accord's performance and fuel savings while driving a vehicle that has attained the California Air Resource Board's new LEV3 SULEV 30 certification for its exceptionally low emissions. The Accord Hybrid features advances in its running gear as well. Its braking system is adapted from the Fit EV, which debuted the world's first electric servo brake system. It provides excellent feel and feedback through the brake pedal to the driver, while actually apportioning the optimum amount of deceleration force to the regenerative system for remarkable efficiency. The suspension is notable as well. Sophisticated amplitude-reactive dampers make for an amazingly supple ride, combined with excellent handling precision and body control, the best of both worlds. In fact, you'll find similar dampers on luxury cars. The Accord Hybrid features unique 17-inch alloy wheels for an aggressive yet upscale appearance. They're surrounded by 225/50 R17 tires that are slightly wider than the top-of-the-line Accord sedan's 215/55 R17 rubber. Further weight savings are achieved with an all-aluminum front suspension subframe in place of the Accord's unique steel-aluminum design. And a tire sealant and inflator kit replaces the spare tire to cut pounds even further. It comes with 24-hour assistance for the duration of the new vehicle limited warranty. In terms of safety, the Accord Hybrid has all the active and passive safety features of the current Accord lineup, including the latest generation ACE body structure. In a moment, we'll go inside the Accord Hybrid to cover how this remarkable car provides a unique experience for its occupants. But now, let's see how well you've absorbed this chapter's information. Please complete the following multiple-choice questions by clicking on the appropriate answer.